Hi everyone, in this video we're going to take in-depth look on GameSir T4 Pro wireless game controller. Device layout. Power on, press and hold the home button for 2 seconds to power on. Power off, press and hold the home button for 5 seconds to power off. Pairing mode. According to the gamepad mode you want to apply, select a button combination to power on to enter the corresponding mode, which is enter the pairing mode, reconnect. The game controller will remember the last pairing record. The next time you turn it on, you don't need the button combination. Just press and hold the home button and power on will automatically reconnect to the last paired device. How to use the phone holder. Please riser the phone holder from the 2 or the gamepad. How to connect to a computer or Android TV box via USB receiver. Charging. How to charge the gamepad. Use a charging cable to connect the Type-C interface on the top of the gamepad to the USB charging port. Battery status. How to connect to switch or switch light via Bluetooth. How to connect to a PC via a USB cable. Plug the USB cable into the USB port of your computer. How to connect to a mobile phone via Bluetooth. Play Android controller-supported games. Play Apple Arcade and My iGames. How to connect to Apple Mac via Bluetooth. Back buttons function. Other functions. Turbo combo function. Back buttons programming. Single button or multiple buttons can be set.
Troubleshooting.
Warning.
For more updates, subscribe to our channel.